This you? Are you wanting to be here but notice you're here? This practice is for you. Hello thrillers, welcome to the short yet powerful yoga flow designed to release tension from long hours of sitting. Whether you're at a desk all day, you have a long commute, or you're just feeling tight, this practice is going to help you reset and feel more open. If you love to do yoga, to feel better in your body, be sure to subscribe and join our growing community. This is your space to breathe, to move, to reconnect. Find yourself sitting comfortably, whether that's cross-legged or on the knees, to stretch a little bit through the quads. Wherever you find yourself, let's ground in with a centering, opening breath. In through the nose, out through the mouth, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Now let the arms rest by your sides. Drop the left ear to the left shoulder. And then travel your right arm up. Reaching the fingertips out long. Remember, you get out what you put into this practice. Flip your palm so the thumb is down, palm faces away from you, and push away the wall behind you, moving in a diagonal line. Flip so your thumb reaches up, palm forwards, reach out as if I've got a grip on your wrist and pulling you out. Flip, palm faces back, thumb down, and let it drop. One more, flip thumb up, reach up. Flip, thumb down, palm moves back and down. Release the tension through this right arm and inhale the chin back to center. Already you feel the difference. Let's drop the right ear to the right shoulder and stream out in line through the left. Flip the palm, press back and down. Flip the palm, thumb up, inhale. Flip, press down and back, exhale. Flip, thumb up, inhale for our last one. Flip, thumb down, exhale, let it drop. Release the tension on the right and move the chin back to center. Opening up through the neck, let's lift the shoulders up and then down the back, training them to sit lower. Inhale up, exhale down, last one. Inhale up, drawing them down and back. Great work. Let's move into a all 4 points position. That's wrists and shoulders in a line, knees, ankles, and hips in a line. We'll start with cats and cows, dropping the belly, lifting the chin. As you exhale, curve and round, push the ground away, tuck the chin. Inhale, the tail lifts, the belly drops, the shoulder blades move together. As you exhale, tail tucks, belly button draws in, shoulder blades separate, push the ground away, tuck the chin. 2 more with the rhythm of your own breath. You're welcome to take it slower or faster, whatever your body's calling for. Listen for the call and answer the call. Last round on your own, use that breath. Awesome. From here, let's stretch out into high plank, because typically some of the soreness or fatigue that we're feeling is strength related. So let's build up our plank. Let's tuck the hips under, squeeze the belly button, push the ground away, press the heels back, lift up the kneecaps. We're only here for 5, so let's inhale and exhale. Bend the knees, lower down. I know. Cross the ankles and send the hips back behind you, or however it's comfortable to get to that position. Let's let the legs straight out in front of us for a forward bend to get into the mid-back. Toes can come together or leave some space between the feet. Inhale the arms up. And exhale, reach out forwards. If you can't grab a hold of your feet, no worries. Grab underneath the calves or bend the knees and cup underneath. We're allowing the back to round here, breathing in through the middle of the shoulder blades. And sighing out. One more big inhale, allowing yourself to soften on the exhale. Head and neck are heavy, surrendering tension. Okay, One more breath. Inhale. Melt a little further. Exhale. Inhale, release the grip. Start to roll it up. Twists are like a reset button for the spine. So let's draw the right knee in. Cross it over the left, or just keep it on the instep. Left arm reaches up and around, trying to tap the elbow around, but if not, we can cut. Inhale, right arm up, back and around. Inhale, lengthen the crown tall. Exhale, twist a little further. Inhale, lengthen. As you exhale, use the left hand to pull the chest open. Inhale, return it to center. Let's take the hand on the blade of the right foot and just open up as much as you can, maybe bending and opening, bending and opening. Let's release the right leg. Left knee will bend, draw into the chest. Here is just fine, or we can cross it over. Right arm wraps around. Inhale, left arm up, back and around to help you post. Inhale, chest elevates. Exhale, using the strength of these arms to turn back a little further. Feeling that stretch move through the glutes. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, twisting a little bit further. Beautiful. Inhale, back to center. Use your left hand to hold the blade of your left foot, posting with the right arm. Maybe kicking out and stretching, bending, straightening. Whatever feels good right here. Last one. Nice. We'll let it all go. Next, we're moving into lower back. So let's roll onto our backs, but we can't forget about the strength of the core. So chest up. Remove the rounding through the lower spine. Fingertips forward and start to roll it on back. That's it. Good work. Next, let's bend the knees, plant the feet. Take the right leg up to the sky and cross the ankle over the left knee. Relax your head. This might be enough. We can hang here. Or we can draw the left knee in, clasp behind the hamstring, and pull in gently. Inhale. Gently pull in. Exhale. If you caught it, I created a flex on the toes towards the knees. It just towards the knees because it helps to protect the knee. So if you want to stay active, flexing the toes even helps. Breath in. Soften through the shoulders, but give yourself a little bit of tension through that left leg. Release the grip around the hamstrings, and then the right foot will drop to the left side in a twist. You might need to make adjustments here to open yourself up, but once we're in our twist, arms out, palms up, and then just fan the top leg up and down. Notice when it's going down, if you feel tension, or as you're pulling up, if you feel it in any spots. Exhale to lift, inhale to lower. One more. And then let's draw the knees back to center. Left leg is flat. Reach the right leg up and circle it out for 3. Bigger circles for 2. Last one. Draw the knee into the chest and plant the foot on the floor. We'll take the left knee into the chest, cross the ankle over the right knee. Here is totally cool if that's how you're feeling. Alternatively, we can draw the left knee in. Immediately my toes flex. It's just a yogi habit. Really try to relax with the shoulders here as you exhale and pull the knee closer to the chest. Inhale, settle in. Exhale, pull a little closer. We just got one more breath. I feel it too. On the exhale, pull a little closer. As you inhale, release the grip. And then allow the left foot to just plant to the right side of our twist. Maybe making some minor adjustments. And then dropping the knee and opening up. The knee will drop and open. Inhale to let it drop. Exhale to open up. One more. Notice where you feel it. And then drawing the knees back to center, right foot plants, left foot lifts up to the sky. We circle it out for 3. Maybe flip the palms for more grounding. 2. And 1. Knee bends, draw it to the chest, drop it down. Super job. Let's straighten out the legs for our final pose. Inhale the right knee into the chest, give it a squeeze. squeeze. Pulling up towards the armpit helps to release the tension in the hips. Breath in. Take the right knee to the left side of the body. Breath out. Let's prioritize keeping the shoulders on the mat. Turn the chin towards the right shoulder. This can please inspire really rise in our spine. Inhale. Exhale. One more breath. You're going to be relieving the tension of the left hand underneath. Exhale, release. Inhale the right knee back into the chest. Keep a squeeze. As you exhale, release it down towards the mat. Inhale, left knee into the chest. You guessed it. Up towards the armpit. Give it a squeeze. Left knee travels off to the right side of the body as you look over the left shoulder. A little bit of pressure at first, and then just release, trusting the natural order. You're in the pose, you're doing enough. Breath in, breath out. Feel yourself relieve the tension. Try not to hold yourself up off the mat. Breath in, and breath out. One more full round of breath. Pull the left knee back into the chest. Give it a squeeze up towards the armpit and let it go. Inhale, arms up to the sky. Exhale, roll up in a sit-up. Reach for the toes and then reset. Let it go. Super job. Way to show up for yourself. Way to roll out the mat and give yourself exactly what your body is asking for. And know that no one can do this work for you. You're ultimately in charge, and you're taking the steps necessary to make yourself healthier. And for that, I thank you. Let's finish with a gentle reminder that this breath locks into our connectedness to the universe. Let's use this place of calm and center to inhale and exhale to feel tension melt away. Amazing work. I'm so thrilled that you joined in today and you're taking these steps that are necessary. I appreciate you sharing this practice with me. And if you notice that this flow helped you feel better in your body, let me know in the comments. I'm super excited to see what your favorite pose is of each of these sequences. And if you haven't yet, make my dreams come true and hit subscribe. It would honestly mean the world to me, and then we could reach more people. Thank you so much for showing up for yourself. I'll see you at the next practice. I'm saving you a spot.